Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the CapCut color grading tutorial on how you can create this cold blue coloring. So here, I've already added the video that I want to edit, and I'm going to start by going to the adjust. So click on the video and swipe until you find the adjust option, and click on the sharpen, increase it to 50. And now click on adjust cell, click on the green color, and in here adjust the lightness into 25. Now on the blue color in here, increase the saturation to around 30 and the lightness 25. Okay, 20, I think 20 is enough. Go back and click on highlight, lower it to -40, and click on shadow, increase it to 10, and then add to filter, and then find the cold blue filter. Click on enter, add it to your videos, click on this cold blue filter and adjust the intensity to your liking. I'm going to go with 100. Click on a check icon and you are done. This is the result. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.